In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a photo collage with hundreds of photos in just a few seconds using Adobe Photoshop. After opening Photoshop, go to File, then Automate, and select Contact Sheet. A new window will appear where you can choose either individual photos or an entire folder. For this example, I'll select a folder. In this folder, I have 9 photos. Now, set the document size. You can change the resolution based on your needs, but for this example, I'll use 3000 by 3000 pixels. One very important option here is flatten all layers. Make sure this is unchecked. If you check it, all photos will be merged into one layer and you won't be able to move or adjust individual images. Next, under Place, select Across first. For columns in rows, I'll enter 3 columns and 3 rows since we're using 9 photos. You can also adjust the spacing between the images if you want. In this example, I will use 10 pixels. There's an option to use the file name as a caption, but for this example, I'll keep it unchecked. Once everything is set, click OK. Photoshop will automatically create the collage or photo album. Because we didn't flatten the layers, each photo is placed on its own layer with a layer mask, so you can move or adjust any image if needed. To save this photo collage, go to File, then Export As, and export your image. And that's it. This is how you can create a photo collage or photo album in Photoshop in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found a real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.